welcome to the channel. So as you guessed from the tools, maybe some of you did, one of my current projects is this saxophone. Can I play it? I can get sound out of a saxophone. Am I a good player? No. But this is an old military saxophone. I'm not sure if this is from 1910s, before World War One. My guess probably from the 1920s or most likely 1930s. And it was in horrible condition, dented, bent, everything, and I'm slowly repairing. Yes, I could pay a lot of money for it. I didn't pay much for this. No, I have not repaired a saxophone before, but I worked a lot with brass and fixed brass stuff, made brass parts a lot during my life. So as a material, I'm quite familiar with this one. I know it might be bad sounding, everything. I just want to get it working well enough that I can get some sound out of it, but it's a lot of work. A lot of things to repair and a lot of parts to make, but yeah, that's me. And if anyone complained, you shouldn't spend this time on this, I don't care. I like building stuff and I like especially repairing stuff. So if you have concerns about if it's a good saxophone or not, I don't really care. Oh, and just in case, this saxophone is V-collared at CERN, Graslitz, Berman, and has also Finnish military markings in it. There's some parts. There's this part. I think it's a tenor saxophone. All the parts which I took apart already, springs and so on. I've been straightening the sax, taking some of the dents out, and tearing it apart, and it was so rusted, like this mild steel, what you call long screws, however you call them. So I had to make a lot of custom tools for taking the dents out. I made my own dent barrels. I have no problem. I know how to make my own tools. But dismantling and putting this, so this part here, which you see, this one here and this one here, these are the ones, these valves, whatever you call them, tone hole covers and so on. Anyway, they're the worst damaged part of it. And I have a lot of soldering. I got myself a nice platform for soldering things. Yeah, I'm still buying some of the materials I need to buy for this, because this is old enough that I measured the dimensions of different parts. There's 2 types of screws here at least. Not all the dimensions are same. I think it's been fixed a few times in its life. It was full of dirt and an old cleaning cloth, my guess, from the 50s. So I don't think this has been used for a very long time. So current part of the project is repairing these parts. As you see here, these need a cleaning up and putting these repads and everything. Not a big problem. These are all fine and intact. I just need new screws and stuff. However, these bits here are a bit more damaged, and I need to either remake parts of it or so on. But yeah, that's part of the project. So most of the radios I have are not worth the amount of time and I spend on them, but I still like doing it. So this is my current project. I have a few other projects I'm working on also, and I will make separate videos out of those. Why I'm doing multiple? It's mainly because I have to wait so long time in getting the parts shipped or whatever I need. Thank you for watching, and see you in part 2 of saxophone or about the other radios.